gold from old, discarded phones. Hello and welcome to our channel. Now, you might be wondering, gold in my old phone? Absolutely. It's a little known fact that our everyday electronics are a treasure trove of precious metals, and today, we're going to show you how to safely and effectively reclaim this gold. We'll walk you through the entire process, from dismantling the phone to the final step of melting the gold. It's a process that requires patience and precision, but the reward at the end is worth it.
Let's go dig in for gold in Folasti.
Start by dismantling the phones, separating the motherboards from the frames. Stack them up and burn them. After burning, remove any remaining detachable parts to make the process more manageable. Use a sturdy metal net to separate the larger pieces from the smaller ones. Once sorted, weigh the components before proceeding to the final step. Arrange them with the larger parts at the bottom and the smaller ones on top. Burn them all at a high temperature. Don't forget to add some mods or sand on top to prevent the gold from rising and sticking to the lead during melting. Pour the melted mixture into a large hole with extreme care. As it will be extremely hot and dangerous. Leave it for half an hour, then remove the excess plastic from the top. Design a smaller hole from mold or cement for your melted gold mixture to fit. Use coal and wood on top to melt them again. Use an air blower to assist with the melting process. Once melted, separate the plastic and carbon from the top and pour water on it to cool it down. Now, you should see signs of gold in our material. Transfer the rest into cold water to cool down. Leave them in cold water until completely cool. Now it's time for the chemical process to separate our gold from the metals. Be patient as this takes time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to tell us about your opinions. After the step-by-step chemical process, we have metal with gold in it. Don't worry, soon we will see pure 24-karat gold. For this process, we need fire, chemicals, and patience. Put this piece of heavy metal in a large dish. Pour chemicals and leave it until the yellowish, orange, or gold smoke finishes. Now we have a liquid instead of heavy metal, making it easier to handle and process. Now it's time for filtering. After filtering, we have just pure liquid. But where's the gold? It's on the filters. All we have to do now is get the filters out and burn them to get our pure gold out. What does it look like? Look at our final gold. Thanks for your patience and time. I hope you learned something from this. Remember, this process should be carried out in a safe and controlled environment, adhering to all safety regulations and guidelines. Let's weigh it.